Hi, Erica here with Crafts Direct, and today I'm going to share with you this fun project that's sure to brighten up any room. So let me show you how to make it. To start out, we're going to get all of our supplies ready. So cut a piece of felt that fits onto your alcohol ink applicator, and then you will also take the felt, wrap it around your ruler so that there's enough sticking out on each side of the ruler that you can staple the felt onto the ruler. Then you'll take the ruler, slide it out of the little felt pocket you created, and mark each inch interval as you go down the felt. This is going to help you know where to apply which colors of alcohol ink later on. Now that everything is ready, we can start applying alcohol ink to the board. So we are going to take our patina alcohol ink and put little bits of it onto your felt applicator, just in random spots without covering the entire piece of felt. Then I took my ruler to kind of draw out where the rainbow would be so I know what to leave blank. And then in the spaces where the rainbow isn't going to be, I am blotting on the alcohol ink. So I am just using an up or down motion to apply the alcohol ink from the felt onto the board. And just keep going over it until you don't see any more white spaces. Next, we are going to take our ruler covered in felt and our alcohol blending solution, and at the very tip of the ruler, apply the blending solution. This is going to create a more defined line for when we're going to draw the rainbow. So line the ruler up with the bottom of the board, and then curve your ruler upwards, run it along smoothly, and it should start removing some of that patina color and clears out room for the rainbow. You might have to do this 1 or 2 times. Once you've got the board nice and cleaned up for the rainbow, you are going to take the part of the felt that you put the blending solution on and cut that off. Now it's time to start applying the alcohol ink to your felt on the ruler. So use those 1-inch markings as a guideline and start applying your alcohol ink on there. So first I did watermelon, then Valencia, sunshine yellow, limeade, stream, and then I finished with eggplant. Put a generous amount of the alcohol ink on there because you don't want to run out once you start gliding the ruler along the board. Once you've got all of your alcohol ink on the felt, you are going to line up your ruler with the corner of the board along the bottom side, and then at an angle you are going to create your rainbow all the way up to the top right side of the board. You can do this once or twice, but don't do it too many times or it will start removing the alcohol ink instead of adding more. Then you'll let your alcohol ink dry, which happens rather quickly, and then it is time to apply our Shine Bright vinyl. So take your vinyl scraper, rub the vinyl scraper over the top of the vinyl, peel the backing off, place the vinyl on the frame where you would like it. Push it down a little bit, not too much. We're not going to push it down with the scraper this time, just because we don't want any of the alcohol ink to come up. And then you'll remove that transfer paper, and you've got a fun rainbow piece of decor for your house. You can find all the supplies to make this project at craftsdirect.com and go to the Projects tab.